Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be making a beginner's tutorial on the usage of the Google Mail app, and I want to guarantee you that watching this video till the end will change your mindset for good on how to make use of the Google Mail app professionally. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the content. To compose an email you want to send to someone, you need the Gmail app. Once you're on the Gmail app, you click on the compose button here, and it will take you to a fresh page where you can start typing whatever you have in mind to type as your email. So here is the email address you are using to send the message, and if you need to change this email address, you click on this drop down to select from the list of emails you have in your phone. And next is to input the email address of the person you are sending this email to. So once the email address has been confirmed, then next you enter the subject. So this subject is just like a title. So if you just want to send a greetings to someone, you can easily type greetings here as your subject. And next, compose email. This is where you put the main email. So you type. So once you are done typing the message you want to send in this email, then you can also choose to add an attachment by clicking on this icon. Clicking on this icon will take you to your phone gallery to select an attachment from. This could be a file or a picture or a document. So once you have done selecting the attachment, then you can go ahead and click on this send icon to send your email. So let's wait for this confirmation. You can see sending, sent. So this is how to send an email to anyone. Let's say you receive an email like this and you need to reply to this email. So just open the email, allow it to load and open, and you will see the contents of the email here. So to reply to this email, you can use two options. You can either select from these suggested options for you, which is generated by AI, or you can click on reply button directly. So clicking on this button will open this fresh tab where you can input whatever reply you have in mind to send to this person. And once you are done typing your reply, then you can easily click on this send icon button to send the email directly. And see the notification here, sending, sent. And that is how to reply any email that you receive in your inbox. Let's say you want to send an email to someone like this, and after typing the contents of this email, then you go ahead to send this email. But you later realize that the content you sent, there is a mistake you need to correct in that content. For instance, I wrote good, how are you, instead of good morning. So after sending it, then there is an option for you to undo the sent message so that it will return you back to correct the email. Let's do it for instance. So I'll be clicking on the send button. So after sending, sent, then the option to undo, I click on undo and it is undoing, and it will return me back to the previous page where I can re-edit this message and write it correctly. Then I'll go ahead and send again once I am sure it is done and sent, and the undo will go without me pressing it. So this is how to undo any sent message. Now is on scheduling of emails. So let's say we want to send an email to someone, but we don't want that person to receive the email now. Maybe we want the person to receive the email in the next 1 hour, or in the next 24 hours, or in the next 1 week or a month, whatever the case may be. So go ahead and compose the email you want to send. Input the email of the recipient and the subject. So let's say this is a happy birthday greetings, and the person's birthday is not today. But in order not to forget about me sending this message to this person, then I want to type this message down, and then I will schedule this message on the date is going to be delivered to this recipient. So to do that, after typing the contents of your email, then you click on the three dots here, and you have the option to schedule send. So you can send this by this morning, which is exactly 8 a.m., or you can send this in the afternoon by 1 p.m., or if it is on Monday morning you want to send it by 8 a.m., you can select from these three options. But let's say this person's birthday is next coming Friday, which is not among of these three options, then I'll be picking a time and date from this option. So the date is Friday, and the time could be as early as 5 a.m. because I want this person to wake up and see my birthday greetings, and then I can click on schedule send. So what I have just done, scheduling sent, can you see the confirmation? So what I have just done is that this message will send automatically on Friday on 12th by 5 a.m. This message will be sent and will be delivered to this person directly to his inbox. So this is how to schedule a send message you don't want to send immediately. So working conveniently with emails also requires the skill to forward emails as well. So you might receive a message you would like to share with other people, and instead of you copying this message or to retype the message and send to that person as a new message, you can easily click on this button to forward this message. So clicking on this button will take you to a fresh page that will look as if you are trying to compose a new email. So here you need to input the email address of the person you want to get this message. So, and here it will maintain the subject of the email you receive to share, the email you are trying to forward, and there will be this indication of FWD, which is forward, indicating that this message is a forwarded message. So forwarding this message, if there is anything you want to add to this message, then you input whatever you have in mind to write, and once you are done, you go ahead and click on the send icon to send this message, and the forwarded email will be forwarded immediately. So this is how to forward any emails you might have in your inbox to other people. One of the ways to communicate effectively with Gmail in a professional workspace is to set an out-of-office autoresponder. So this out-of-office message is set when you won't be on seat for a certain period of time, and you need to notify anyone who needs your attention in your workspace that you are out of office at the moment and you'll be back in the meantime. So to set an out of message, go straight to your Gmail app, select the correct account, and move on to this dashboard and scroll down to settings. On the settings, you select the email you want to set this out of message for. So on this settings tab, you scroll down and look for vacation responder. You can see it is being turned off. So to turn it on, vacation responder, press this button to turn it on. So the first day and the last day you need to set. So when will your vacation start? Let's say I want to begin the vacation from Thursday, and the last day of this vacation will be Monday, the following Monday. So I'll be adding a subject to this autoresponder as vacation. If you will be on leave, you set leave. So, and if you have any message to type about your vacation and when you are coming back, you type. So once you are done typing the message you have for anybody you are sending this to, then you go ahead and click on done in order to save this vacation responder. And this is how to set the out of office message on Gmail. And remember to turn it off once you are back from your vacation. To strengthen your professionality in any workspace, you need to set an email signature on your email. And I will start by showing you how an email signature looks like. So if you are receiving any message from any workspace, you should see something like this at the end of the email, stating 1, the person's name, 2nd, the person's position in that organization, and 3rd is the person's contact. The first is the mobile number, and the second is Skype username. So this is how email signature look like. So this is giving a detailed information about the person that is sending an email to you. This email thread is a chat between me and this person with all of these details. So this is how a signature look like, and right now I'll be showing you how to create one for yourself. So in creating an email signature, you go straight to your email settings, select the email you want to set this signature for, and scroll down and look for mobile signature. When you click on it, this is where you type in the signature as you want it. So first I will begin with a name, and second I'm adding a position to it. Let's say so. This is the organization, this is the position and the organization, and next is how I can be contacted. So once this has been written, then you go ahead and click on OK in order to save it. So what this does is that by the time you are sending any next email, it will automatically come in as your signature, that you don't have to write it again. So after imputing the person you are sending to and the subject, then you can impute your and start composing your email, and at the end you will have this signature indicating the sender of this message. So this is how to set an email signature on your email. So looking for an email among thousands of emails you have in your inbox might be very challenging, and that is why you need to learn how to search for emails using this search bar at the top here. So searching for email, let's say I'm looking for an email that has been sent by someone. So I'm searching the term I can recall in that email. So after typing, then you go ahead to search. So this search bar will filter out this term from your emails, and you will see all the emails that have this word you are searching for, and this make it easy for you to find any email you must have been looking for. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.